Come and join me for some organizing and decluttering and a small thrift haul. Woohoo! Hi and welcome to MrsCottonCandy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Like I said, I have some organizing and decluttering to do with you today, and just a small little thrift haul. So let's get into it. And as you can see, hopefully here, I'm showing you my front entrance closet as you come into our house. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of organizing, decluttering. There's my husband's hats and stuff up there, and I think I have some mittens and things. But we're not going to be touching that. And then we've got some jackets. I might just kind of quickly organize that just a little bit better, but it's more I'm going to be focusing on, and I don't even know if you can see really well, but down here with my boots and shoes and flip-flops and whatnot, it all needs to be cleaned out and vacuumed. So there you have it down there. There's the before. So let's get into it. See here, I've got like mitts and hats, toques and stuff. They should go up here. So I'm going to put those back up there. And so normally I don't. A lot of organizers or declutterers, I don't really call them professionals, say you should take everything out and then, put things into categories and things. But that overwhelms me. So I'm just dealing with like one thing at a time. That's how I'm going about it. So here are what I would call my dressy shoes, if you could call them dressy. Maybe not those two at the end, but the pink one's over. I wish I could wear high heels, but I can't. These ones here do have a little bit of a lift. But yeah, those are my dressy. And then over here we got some boots, and those are my cross-country boots. Those I got off of Marketplace, but they don't fit, sadly. And then there's another pair of rubber boots that my hubby bought me, brand new. He went overboard on the rubber boots. Didn't really need them. And then the next line here is my hiking boots. These running shoes I've had since I was like in high school. If you can believe that. I did a lot of cross-country and track in those. I think that's why I keep them, because to me they seem good, but they probably should be tossed away. But I keep them for sentimental reasons. And then these are a walking shoe that I got in the States, and I've had those for quite a while. They need to be tossed as well. And then there's a pair of motorcycle boots that I was given if I was going to go on my hubby's motorcycles, but I probably should give them back to the person I kind of borrowed them from, because I'm not going to be doing any motorcycling. And then I've got a container here full of new flip-flops that I've been bought like throughout the years I was buying at Dollar Tree, and I got some more here, and then some that need to be thrown away. So I got to go through this pile, and the ones that I'll keep hopefully will fit into that little container. Then I have my hat and mitts there that, like I said, I'm going to put back up in the closet where they're supposed to go. And then this line of all these shoes and sandals here, and a pair of sandals there, and those are my water shoes. But all of these, there's 6 or 7 pairs here in this last line, were given to me by a family member. They maybe wore it like once or twice or something like that, and so then they gave them to me. These are the newest ones that they give me, so I'll be wearing those mostly this year, and probably these 3 here, and then these are sandals. So anyways, there's the lot. You can see kind of, and then those are my rubber boots I'm wearing now. I love my rubber boots. Now I'm going to take you into the closet and show you how dirty it is, and then I'll clean it. See, it needs to be cleaned, vacuumed and cleaned out of there. And yes, I did leave 3 boots up there. These ones are kind of like a duck boot. I got them from Giant Tiger way back when. They don't fit me anymore, but I really like them. I want to give them up. And those like are a winter boot that I got from Giant Tiger as well. And I'm not sure if those fit. But these are like an Ugg. They're not Uggs, but they're like a copycat. And I got those from Giant Tiger way back. I've had those for years. And I really don't want to get rid of those either. So for now anyways, I'm just keeping them. And they're off the ground, so I'm just going to clean this bottom. And then I'll be back. And here's the after cleaning it. And no, I didn't film me cleaning it, because I believe y'all know what cleaning it looks like. So there. The after. So sadly, here's my toss pile. As you can see, I love flip-flops, and I wear them till, look at that, till they're worn right out to nothing. So those that's my pile to toss. And then here, down here, these I'm going to donate these. There you go. So 5 pairs I'm going to donate. And then here's the after. And I got all my flip-flops, the new ones, in that little bucket. Sorry for the light is not very good. But this is the after, and I think that looks so much better and cleaner and good to start a new season. So I found these 2 DVDs at an out-of-town thrift store. I'm not quite sure if I've already shown you these, because it's been a while since I picked these up. It's the Santa Claus on DVD, and then Green Acres, which I love this show, and it's like brand new, the complete first season. So that was a steal. So I got those, and then the rest of the items are from a family member who does volunteer work at their thrift store where they live, and they were able to pick up these Dolly Parton movies for me, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This looks like a brand new movie. Like, it's not a brand new movie, but like the actual DVD looks brand new, like it's never been used. Joyful Noise, and then Dolly Parton, Unlike Angel, No Wings, No Halo, All Heart. I just saw this past Christmas. I had no idea that she had this movie. And it's a really good one. If you've never seen it, which I'm sure most of you have, a lot of you are, my darlings are big fans of Dolly as well. You probably have seen it, but if you haven't, you should check this out. And I think it might be on YouTube, I'm not sure. But it's a really good one. And this as well, so I was just really excited for those. And then, look at here, Dynasty. You all remember Dynasty? And these are the 1, or that says 2, 1 and 2. I haven't seen the full Dynasty, but I watched some here and there, and I really like it. So that was awesome. And these all were $2 each. So that's an awesome deal. And I guess out of that little haul, the biggest score my family member found was this pink Darling hat. And she thought it would be like MrsCottonCandy. And this hat was only $2 as well. So I was really excited. So to put this in my hat collection. Let me know if you guys, what do you think of this hat? I think it's great. And if you think it's a MrsCottonCandy hat, down below, I'd love to hear. So that's my little thrift haul. So let's see what's going on in here. We've got boots and stuff. And that was a bunch of Teddy's clothes. So we're going to kind of tidy this up a bit. So here's what I pulled out. Got some boots to donate or give away. We have all this leashes and a zap thing for mosquitoes or whatever, bugs. Food container. My boots. And then we got some more of my Teddy's costumes and different things. I'm going to keep some of this, and then some of it I'll probably donate. And this is a big big bag of all his clothes. Teddy. If you're new here, I had a little dog named Teddy. He was like my best friend. Sadly, he passed away. It's been, I think, 8 years now or something like that. So, but hubby still might want to get another dog, so he wanted to keep some of this stuff. So I'm going to vacuum. Didn't realize how dirty this is. Vacuum the inside of this. These boots have to go in the garbage. I've had them for a long time. They've had their wear. There's a hole in them, and I did get the zipper redone in this side, and that cost more than the actual boots. So anyways, here's the finished. It's all vacuumed out and looks so much better. And a little bit of room.